The DJI Osmo Action 6 is already generating excitement in the tech community, even though its official release is anticipated in September 2025. Thanks to regulatory filings and insider leaks, we've been given a sneak peek into what could be DJI's most advanced action camera yet. Let's dive into the potential specs, features, and why this camera might be worth the wait. One of the standout rumors about the Osmo Action 6 is its potential dual model offering, as hinted at in regulatory filings. Reports suggest two battery capacities, 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh, which could indicate the release of both a standard and a pro version. This strategy would enable DJI to cater to both casual users seeking an affordable, straightforward camera and professionals needing longer recording times and advanced features. The current Osmo Action 5 Pro is praised for its compact design and versatile features, but it has faced criticism in areas like low light performance, limited resolution options, and codec support. If the leaks are accurate, the Osmo Action 6 could address these concerns head-on. Improved low-light performance would make it ideal for evening adventures, underwater exploration, and other challenging environments. One of the biggest frustrations with the Osmo Action 5 Pro has been its limited codec support. While it supports HEVC, users have long called for more versatile codecs like H.264 or ProRes for greater flexibility in post-production workflows. Including these codecs in the Osmo Action 6 could broaden its appeal among content creators, especially those in professional settings. Another key improvement many are hoping for lies in lens performance. Users have noted issues with lens flares in low-light conditions, often requiring the removal of the lens guard to mitigate the problem, a less than ideal solution. A redesigned lens or an upgraded lens guard could fix this issue, ensuring sharper image quality without compromising lens protection. Battery life remains a critical consideration for action camera users. The rumored dual battery options, a smaller, lightweight model and a larger extended capacity one, would cater to different needs. Travelers and outdoor enthusiasts might prioritize portability, while professionals could opt for the Pro version with its extended recording capabilities, perfect for long shoots or complex projects. DJI has consistently delivered impressive image stabilization, and the Osmo Action 6 is expected to build on this tradition. However, with competitors like GoPro pushing boundaries with their stabilization technologies, DJI will need to step up its game. Further advancements in electronic image stabilization could make this camera a top choice for action sports enthusiasts and vloggers seeking smooth, shake-free footage in dynamic environments. Connectivity is another area where the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to shine. Expected to feature Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, these upgrades would enhance wireless transfers, app connectivity, and live streaming functionalities. Pricing will be critical to its success. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is currently priced at $349, and it's likely the Osmo Action 6 will be priced similarly. A tiered pricing strategy with a standard model closer to $300 and a Pro version near $400 could attract a wide range of users. This approach mirrors DJI's drone lineup, ensuring there's an option for every type of consumer. Launching in September 2025, places the Osmo Action 6 in direct competition with heavyweights like GoPro's Hero 14 Black and potential new offerings from Insta360. Releasing during the pre-holiday season allows DJI to capitalize on heightened consumer interest as buyers look to upgrade their gear or invest in cutting-edge technology. To stand out, DJI must deliver meaningful innovations. Features like AI-driven shooting modes, enhanced HDR capabilities, and smarter app integrations could help the Osmo Action 6 carve out its niche. As we await the official announcement, one thing is clear. The DJI Osmo Action 6 has the potential to redefine the action camera market, combining the best of its predecessors with user-driven improvements. If the leaks hold true, this could be a must-have device for adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers alike. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to its official release. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below.